8. Fettuccine Parmesan. Ingredients: 350 g fettuccine, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, olive oil cube, 400 g of peeled tomato, 200 milliliters of bechamel, grated Parmesan to taste. Preparation: start by boiling a pot of salted water and cooking the noodles al dente. Meanwhile, prepare the tomato sauce by frying the onion, garlic, and oil in a pan. Then add the peeled tomato and cook for a few minutes. Then add the bechamel and mix well. Once cooked, drain the fettuccine and transfer them to a baking dish. Pour over the tomato sauce and bechamel and sprinkle with plenty of grated Parmesan cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cheese is well melted and grated. Serve hot. Useful tips for preparing excellent fettuccine alla Parmigiana. Choose good quality fettuccine, preferably handmade. Make sure you cook the fettuccine al dente, so they don't get too mushy during baking. To make the sauce even tastier, you can add spices such as basil, thyme, or rosemary. If you want to give an extra touch to the dish, you can add vegetables such as zucchini, aubergines, or peppers to the tomato sauce. If you want to make the fettuccine alla Parmigiana even tastier, you can add cooked ham or diced salami to the tomato sauce. Serve the fettuccine piping hot, accompanied by a nice green salad.